Hello, I'm Adam and this is my vlog. For this past week I've been doing a few things. So the main thing I believe I've been doing has been wrapping up my schoolwork, signing up for new classes, and also I've been attempting to sell my car, which I have technically successfully done, except for I have not successfully done it at all. My car is still technically mine, according to the law, but I promised it to an individual who will buy it from me for a certain amount. The problem is, as I've met this individual this last week, I unfortunately made the mistake of having him have my car earlier than he is supposed to have. As such, he is attached to the car already, so my next step, happily, should be to have him pay me off so I can sign the title over to him. Yes, I'm smart enough not to give my title and car to an individual before I've received any money. So if he does take away without my knowledge or consent, then he has physically stolen the vehicle and I can press charges. I hope it does not come to that. I'm hoping that tomorrow, because tomorrow should be the day that everything goes down, that we are able to go over and I'm able to be paid and sign the title over to him and he can register it to the state, and we'll get that all done the same day if everything goes correctly. If things do not go correctly, I will be getting my car back, and the second buyer I have interested in the vehicle will be getting it, and she can get the loan to pay me that same day, simply because she has an exact job. Even though this other guy does have an exact income and is able to pay a certain amount each month, he is like Tony several months back that I've talked about, who has good intentions, but I'm not sure I can rely on it, which is scary. And the only reason why I find that he may not be reliable is simply because when I suggested that we get a loan so this matter could be settled, or actually he can get a loan so this matter could be settled, and I'm only selling the car for $2,000, which should be easy to get for a loan. When we get this loan, when he gets this loan, then I can get my money, he can get the title and the car, and I have no liability. After everything is settled, I either have my car tomorrow, or I have it sold tomorrow. Either way, it's going down tomorrow. And simply because, well, the way things are going, I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting it, if I'm getting to keep the car or selling it. I'm hoping to sell it, but I'm not sure what's going on. But right now I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not liable for anything the car gets into within this time period, because him having the car is very dangerous just because I am liable for any accidents that happen to it, whether he's driving it or it's parked and somebody runs into it. Either way, it totaled the car as the car is already totaled. It's a salvage title. Oh. I hope all is well for the next week. If everything doesn't go well, then things will be terrible. If everything does go well, I should be acquiring a scooter next week as well. I'll probably get it the same day and pay it off that day, because that's the way I am. If I have the money, I buy it off, which is the main reason why I need the money for the car. And if I don't have the money for the car, I need the car itself as motorized transport, because it is going into winter and it is freezing in the morning, and I don't want to bike 10 miles as I've been in the morning. And it's dangerous during the day when the sun is up and people are out, because people are crazy drivers. Hope to see you well and alive next week in a better situation. Bye.